team of researchers at the Center of Nanofabrics, School of Nanoscience and Technology, Shivaji University, Kolhapur in Maharashtra have jointly come up with a novel technology, Virus Kavach Fabrics Spray Technology with EcoScience Innovations Private Limited, Pune, Maharashtra, that can inactivate 99.99+% of SARS-CoV-19 virus, which has infected the entire world. The Virus Kavach Fabric Spray Technology, inactivating a wide spectrum of bacteria and virus like the COVID-19 virus, is a major achievement in the current scenario to fill up the vacuum to prevent spread of COVID-19 virus in the society at large, and especially for the corona warriors like police, press, personnel, health workers and other essential service providers until a vaccine is available for COVID-19 virus. Lamjingbatomtv Jauba was today sworn in as MP of Rajya Sabha during a formal oath-taking ceremony in the Rajya Sabha's Chamber of Parliament House in Delhi at 11:33 am. Lamjingbatomtv Jauba, the titular king of Manipur, won the lone Rajya Sabha seat of Manipur, defeating Congress candidate in the recent polls. Lamjingbatomtv Jauba took oath in Manipuri language by wearing Meitei traditional attire and chanting names of gods Laining Thau Sanamahi, Ibutau Pakhangba and Sri Sri Govindaji. US President Donald Trump said that the United States is leading the world in terms of COVID-19 testing and India is at the second position. Trump made these remarks while giving an update on his administration's handling of the coronavirus crisis, according to media reports. The United States reported 68,524 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The country, which is reeling hard under the onslaught of the pandemic, has now registered a total of 38,91,893 infections. The Baltimore-based university said today. India recorded a spike of 37,724 COVID-19 cases and 648 deaths in the last 24 hours. The total COVID-19 cases have risen to 11,92,915 and there are 4,11,133 active cases in the country. The number of cured, discharged, migrated stands at 7,53,050 while the death toll has climbed to 28,732, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Meanwhile, the coronavirus situation is in control in Mumbai, while the number of cases being reported Delhi being less than 1,500, according to media reports. As Manipur is witnessing rapid surge in the number of COVID-19 positive cases on daily basis, the related department in the state has taken up extra preventive measures to control virus transmission. According to a Moreh correspondent, in border town Moreh, people are reportedly violating government-let-down COVID-19 protocols and doing things their own way. Meanwhile, civil administration Moreh along with Moreh police and ADC Chandal members have been working hard for spreading awareness on COVID-19 to the masses in the town. In Manipur, 90 persons were confirmed positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. It takes a total tally to 2,015 in the state as of Wednesday. An official report said that the fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS), Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JANIMS), district hospitals in Jiribam and Thoubal and mobile testing centers in Fal West. The number of active cases now stands at 631 while 1,384 individuals have been recovered from the disease till now. In the past 24 hours, 64 patients were discharged from COVID care centers across the state after recovery. Thaudam Mamang Lekai Ikop Ningthau Thaugalup sprayed disinfectants from Thoubal Bazaar area till Laisangthem Bazaar to contain the COVID-19 pandemic in the district today. Thaudam Mamang Lekai Ikop Ningthau Thaugalup Vice President said that the disinfectants have been sprayed under the directive of Thoubal District Deputy Commissioner. Under the supervision of District Malaria Officer Bishnupur, Dr. T.H. Nabakeshwar, 317 mosquito nets were treated with disinfectant solutions today at Lamapopam Mamang Makhalekai under Bishnupur district. The measure was taken up to prevent mosquito-borne diseases in the area. Staff of District Malaria Office Bishnupur and ASHA workers in Lamapopam took part in the program. United Clubs Organization of Bishnupur District, UCO Bit Mairapaibi Apunbalub Mapal, Bishnupur District and Lomi Sinmi Apunbalub, a branch of All Manipur Manpower Upliftment Center Amuk, Bishnupur District held a press meet at LSAL office in Ningthaukhong today to save younger generation against drugs. Talking to media persons at the press meet, MPAL and Thambalema said that we must unite to save our future generation from falling into the prey of drugs and substance abuse.